Hey YouTube Nation, finally remembered to bring my camera one day into work. I'm down here at the card shop and gonna do a for trade for sale video. Also gonna stay tuned at the end because I'm gonna talk about doing some box breaks possibly for you YouTubers out there to get some of my product out to the masses. We'll just start out with the trade stuff. I'll go by sport. Here we go. Basketball first. There's a Tim Duncan Topps Chrome rookie, PSA 10. SP game used, David Robinson auto, numbered to 50. Kobe Bryant patch, numbered to 50 out of SP Authentic. I believe it's 0405. 0607 UD Reserve triple auto rookie, number 25 of 25 of Brandon Roy, Sergio Rodriguez, and LaMarcus Aldridge. Somebody please trade me for this card. I hate Blake Griffin. Timeless Treasures 2009-2010 rookie auto, number to 299, and a Shaquille O'Neal Topps auto. For baseball, we got an A-Rod Bowman's Best auto, SGC 70 1962 Topps Manager's Dream Mickey Mantle Willie Mays, a exquisite David Ortiz Vladimir Guerrero dual auto, number 25, a Timeless Treasures Nolan Ryan 2003 jersey auto, numbered 5 of 25, a Bob Gibson Felix Hernandez Josh Johnson triple thread jersey auto, numbered to 27, and a Johnny Bench rookie. And then out of football, got the Maurice Jones-Drew exquisite, Walter Payton rookie, Sam Bradford rookie gems, LaDainian Tomlinson 101, a Terrell Davis 1999 playoff momentum SSD stargazing auto, a UD vintage, I think this is 1999, Joe Montana jersey auto, numbered to 100. Card I've been telling you guys and haven't really showed anybody yet is the Robert Griffin III 1 of 1 plate auto. Topps Roger Staubach rookie, a dual rookie rising number 25 Blaine Gabbert Cam Newton, Dan Marino 1998 preferred signatures auto, and a Topps 1 of 1 letters off my back patch auto. And then guys, let me know. I'm thinking about doing box breaks for you guys. The products we have in right now, we got Topps Archives from last year, Gypsy Queen from last year, the new Topps, but it's not really that hot yet, but I'll have Bowman Chrome, all that stuff in. Topps Heritage, football, I got Rookies and Stars, Crown Royal, Gridiron Gear, Topps Magic, Topps Chrome, Strata, Prism, Contenders, Platinum, and Finest. I sold out pretty good on Friday, but I usually have more product than that. And basketball I don't carry much. It's not a very big basketball region down here in Oregon, so if you want me to do some basketball breaks, I'd be more than happy to, because I love breaking basketball wax. I just don't have the customer base for it. Here's the old man that runs the shop down here, good old Jack Hamilton. And alright YouTube, you have a great day.
Runs the shop.